So Ashley has a question about Simple Posher and Poshmark here. She says, hi, I have a question about using Simple Posher. I hope you can help. I used Simple Posher for about a month and everything was sharing smoothly. However, now I can share other closets, and when I see the shared successfully bar on the screen, along with the humanity box every couple minutes, but when I try to share my own closet, I don't get shared successfully bar, nor the automated humanity box. Do you know what the problem is? So it probably has, for those of you that don't know, obviously, first and foremost, Simple Posher is the automation app. It's a Google Chrome extension that I recommend to automate your closet. Not fully automate, but like 95% automate. You can kind of just use the Chrome extension, go about your life, come back, use the Chrome extension, go about your life. It's going to save you an outrageous amount of time while getting more eyes, views, likes potentially on your listing, so you can obviously sell more with less time invested on your part. It's a complete game changer. It's $9.99 a month, and there's a free trial. I'm not an affiliate for it. I just know that it works, and I highly recommend it, okay? Now, the humanity box as well, for those of you that don't know that she's referring to in this question, is basically just it's the auto captcha box. So if you use the software too aggressively potentially, or if Poshmark's algorithm or bots, suspect you of using software or sharing too quickly or something like that, you're gonna get you're gonna get captured, and that's a good thing because the software has auto captcha built into it, so it stops from doing it. Because you'd really run into issues if you kept sharing and sharing and sharing after the bots obviously detected you or red flagged you or something like that. So auto captcha is a good thing. A lot of people get worried when they get that auto captcha, and obviously you don't want them too often, too much, but it's a good thing that the software has that built in, because essentially what it is doing is it's just shutting the software down and saying you can't share anymore until you go through the process, okay? So that's what she means by the humanity box. Now, basically, it sounds like something is off in your share box. So let me pull up Poshmark really fast. It could be a number of different things. You said you're not getting the shares, you're not getting the humanity screen. So, I mean, it could be your minimum maximum settings. It could be that you have, if nothing's popping up specifically, in your share window right above like the clear console window, what I'd recommend is just either A, re-download the software because it could just be a bug, or maybe update the software because it could just be a bug, or reload the page. I've noticed that happens to me every once in a while. Like if I'll hit start right now on it, and obviously you guys can't see this, it pops up with loading item share and then it'll start sharing, right? But every once in a while, if I'm doing it consistently, and this doesn't just happen on my closet, it also happens when I share to parties, from parties, just at random times. Every once in a while, it will just not do anything, right? And I'll come back like 10 minutes later and it will not have shared anything. So I think it's just, the way the software works from time to time. Now I could be wrong. If it's just doing that over and over and over again, then I'd say re-download the software, because obviously if you've already paid for it, you can just sign back in. So delete it, re-download it. Hopefully it works then. If not, submit a support ticket. But my guess is just reboot your page and then, stop your share and then restart your share. Hopefully it works. That tends to work for me. So I hope that helps, Ashley. Obviously, great question. I hope that you get it working, because Simple Posher, as you know, is a complete game changer for Poshmark sellers. So you guys have questions, I have answers. If you have a question specifically on reselling or entrepreneurship or online arbitrage or wholesale or whatever it is, drop it in the comment section down below. I would love to answer it for you. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.